language, conveying information about their emotional state and intentions. Recognizing individual pigs and understanding their place within the social structure is crucial for their well-being and demonstrates a sophisticated level of social intelligence. Furthermore, pigs exhibit signs of emotional sensitivity and awareness. They can experience a range of emotions from joy and excitement during play to distress when isolated or mistreated. Research suggests they can even show empathy towards other pigs. This rich emotional life, coupled with their problem-solving skills and learning capacity, challenges us to reconsider our perceptions of these intelligent animals and to afford them the respect and consideration they truly deserve. From the land, we venture back into the ocean's depths to encounter one of its most enigmatic and intelligent inhabitants, the octopus. These cephalopods, with their 8 prehensile arms, large brains, and uncanny ability to change color and texture in an instant, are truly creatures from another world. Unlike vertebrates, their intelligence has evolved along a completely different path, making their cognitive abilities all the more fascinating and, in many ways, alien to our own understanding of how a mind can work. The problem-solving skills of octopuses are legendary. They have been observed opening screw-top jars to access food, navigating complex mazes, and even using tools, such as carrying coconut shells to use as mobile shelters. Each of their 8 arms possesses a degree of independent control, equipped with suckers that can taste and feel, allowing them to explore and manipulate their environment with extraordinary dexterity. This distributed nervous system contributes to their unique approach to tackling challenges. Octopuses are also renowned escape artists, much to the frustration of aquarists and researchers. Their boneless bodies allow them to squeeze through the tiniest of openings, and their intelligence enables them to figure out complex locking mechanisms or to exploit any small flaw in their enclosures. There are countless anecdotes of octopuses escaping their tanks, sometimes even venturing into neighboring tanks to steal food before returning, demonstrating cunning and a clear understanding of their surroundings. Their ability to camouflage themselves is not merely a reflex, but an intelligent adaptation. An octopus can change its skin color and texture in fractions of a second to perfectly match its surroundings, whether it be a coral reef, a sandy bottom, or a bed of kelp. They can also mimic other more dangerous sea creatures to deter predators. This remarkable feat requires sophisticated visual processing and precise control over thousands of chromatophore cells in their skin, a testament to their complex nervous system. Beyond these skills, octopuses exhibit signs of playfulness and observational learning. They have been seen repeatedly squirting water at objects or researchers, seemingly out of curiosity or amusement. And some studies suggest they can learn by watching other octopuses solve problems. For a solitary creature with a relatively short lifespan, this level of intelligence is extraordinary, a testament to the diverse ways in which complex minds can evolve on our planet. We now take to the skies and the vibrant canopies of tropical rainforests, home to some of the world's most colorful and vocally gifted birds, parrots. With over 350 species, these birds are renowned not only for their stunning plumage, but also for their remarkable intelligence, particularly their ability to mimic human speech and solve complex puzzles. Their cognitive skills, especially in the realms of communication and problem-solving, place them high on the list of avian intellects. The most famous trait of many parrot species is their capacity for vocal learning, including the mimicry of human speech. However, this is often far more than mere imitation. Some parrots, like the famed African grey alex, demonstrated an ability to understand the meaning of words, to identify objects, colors, shapes, and numbers, and even to form simple sentences. This suggests a level of cognitive understanding that goes beyond simple parroting, hinting at a genuine capacity for conceptual thought. Parrots also exhibit impressive problem-solving abilities. They can tackle complex mechanical puzzles that require multiple steps to access a food reward, such as pulling strings, turning levers, or removing obstacles in a specific sequence. Their strong beaks and dexterous feet serve as excellent tools for manipulating objects, and their persistence in the face of a challenge is a testament to their intelligence and curiosity. They seem to enjoy the mental stimulation that such tasks provide. In their natural habitats, parrots use their complex vocalizations for a wide array of social communications. Different calls can signify danger, food sources, or maintain contact within a flock. The nuances of these calls are learned and can vary between different social groups, much like regional dialects in human language. This sophisticated communication system is vital for their survival and for maintaining the intricate social bonds that characterize many parrot species. Many parrots are also known for their long lifespans, some living for many decades, comparable to humans. This longevity allows for extended periods of learning and the accumulation of experience. They often form strong monogamous pair bonds and exhibit complex social interactions within their flocks. Their combination of vocal prowess, problem-solving skills and social complexity makes them truly fascinating subjects for the study of animal intelligence, bright sparks of intellect in the avian world. We now turn to a familiar and beloved companion, an animal whose intelligence has been intertwined with human history for tens of thousands of years, the dog. From their origins as domesticated wolves, dogs have evolved alongside us, developing a remarkable ability to understand and communicate with humans, a skill set that makes them unique in the animal kingdom. Their intelligence is not just about abstract problem-solving, but deeply rooted in their social connection with us. One of the most striking aspects of canine intelligence is their capacity to understand human language and commands. Some breeds, and indeed some exceptional individual dogs, can learn hundreds of words, responding accurately to verbal cues and even subtle gestures. This ability is not merely conditioned response. Studies suggest dogs process familiar words in a way similar to humans, indicating a deeper level of comprehension. Their eagerness to please and their attentiveness to human instruction are key to this learning. Beyond understanding commands, dogs possess an extraordinary ability to read and respond to human emotions. They are highly attuned to our tone of voice, facial expressions and body language, often sensing our moods, joy, sadness, anger or fear, and reacting accordingly. Many dog owners can attest to their canine companions offering comfort in times of distress, a testament to their empathetic nature and their deep social bond with their human families. This emotional intelligence is a cornerstone of their companionship. Dogs also exhibit significant problem-solving skills, particularly in contexts that align with their evolutionary history and breed-specific traits. Herding dogs, for example, display incredible strategic thinking to manage livestock, while retrieval breeds can follow complex instructions to find and bring back objects. Even in everyday situations, dogs can show ingenuity in overcoming obstacles to get to a desired toy, treat or location, adapting their strategies through trial and error. Their social intelligence extends beyond their interactions with humans. Dogs have complex social structures and communication systems among themselves, using a rich repertoire of barks, growls, whimpers and body postures to convey intent and establish social hierarchies. Their ability to learn from other dogs, to cooperate in play or tasks, and to navigate the intricacies of canine society further highlights their cognitive depth. They are truly remarkable animals, whose intelligence enriches our lives in countless ways. Our next subject is an animal often maligned and misunderstood, yet one that possesses a surprising and well-documented intelligence: the rat. Thriving in diverse environments across the globe, often in close proximity to humans, rats have demonstrated remarkable cognitive abilities that have made them invaluable subjects in scientific research, particularly in the study of learning, memory, and decision-making. Their adaptability is in itself a testament to their cleverness. Rats are renowned for their exceptional ability to navigate complex mazes. Scientists have used mazes for over a century to study rat learning and spatial memory. And these rodents consistently impress with their capacity to quickly learn routes, remember pathways, and even find shortcuts when available. They create mental maps of their surroundings, allowing them to efficiently locate food and avoid dangers, a skill crucial for their survival in often challenging urban and natural landscapes. Beyond maze navigation, rats are adept at learning from experience and modifying their behavior accordingly. They can learn to associate specific cues with rewards or punishments, and they can retain this information for long periods. This ability, known as associative learning, is fundamental to their adaptability. They are cautious creatures, often wary of new foods or objects, a trait known as neophobia. But they will learn to accept them if they prove safe, demonstrating a capacity for calculated risk assessment. Recent studies have also shed light on the social intelligence and even empathetic capabilities of rats. They are highly social animals, often living in colonies with established hierarchies. Research has shown that rats will help a trapped cage mate even when offered a chocolate reward as an alternative, suggesting a form of prosocial behavior. They also engage in playful wrestling and communicate through ultrasonic vocalizations, indicating a rich social life that is often hidden from our view. The very reasons rats are so widely used in neuroscience and behavioral research, their ability to learn tasks, their good memory, and their relatively complex brains are clear indicators of their intelligence. While they may not always be viewed favorably, the cognitive skills of the rat are undeniable. They are master survivors, quick learners, and socially complex beings, deserving of a re-evaluation of their place among the world's intelligent animals. For our final exploration into animal intellect, we return to the corvid family to meet a bird shrouded in myth and legend and celebrated for its extraordinary intelligence, the raven. Larger and often more solitary than their crow cousins, ravens exhibit some of the most complex problem-solving skills and strategic thinking observed in the avian world. Their cognitive abilities are so advanced that they are often compared to those of great apes, challenging our understanding of where intelligence can blossom. Ravens are master strategists, demonstrating a remarkable capacity for planning for the future, a skill once thought uniquely human. Experiments have shown that ravens can select and save a tool that they will need to use hours later to obtain a reward, even choosing it over an immediate, smaller reward. They can also barter for better tools or food items, indicating an understanding of value and an ability to delay gratification for a greater future benefit. This foresight is truly exceptional. Their problem-solving skills are legendary. Ravens can solve intricate, multi-step puzzles that require insight and innovation. They have been observed using sequences of tools, pulling up strings with food attached by incrementally stepping on loops, and even cooperating with other ravens to achieve a common goal, though they are also known for their cunning in deceiving others. Their ability to understand cause and effect and to apply logic to novel situations is profoundly impressive. Ravens also possess a sophisticated understanding of their social world. They can recognize individual humans and other ravens, remembering past interactions and adjusting their behavior accordingly. They are known to engage in complex social play, and they can even hold grudges or show gratitude. There is evidence that they can understand what other ravens can see, a form of theory of mind, allowing them to be more cautious when caching food if they know they are being watched by a potential thief. The intelligence of the raven is woven into folklore across many cultures, often depicted as wise tricksters or messengers of the gods. Modern science is now confirming what ancient observers suspected, that these dark, glossy birds possess minds of extraordinary power and subtlety. Their ability to plan, to reason, to remember, and to navigate complex social landscapes makes them a fitting finale to our tour of the animal kingdom's brightest minds, a true testament to the diverse expressions of intelligence on Earth. As our journey through the diverse landscapes of animal intelligence draws to a close, one cannot help but feel a profound sense of wonder. From the intricate tool use of the chimpanzee to the strategic foresight of the raven, from the complex communications of the dolphin to the surprising ingenuity of the pig, we have witnessed but a glimpse of the extraordinary cognitive abilities that flourish across our planet. These creatures, each in their own unique way, demonstrate that intelligence is not a singular peak, but a vast and varied spectrum. The capacity to learn, to remember, to solve problems, and to navigate complex social worlds is not the sole preserve of humankind. It is a thread woven through the rich tapestry of life, a testament to the power of evolution to shape minds capable of meeting the myriad challenges of existence. Understanding these intelligences enriches our own appreciation of the natural world and underscores the interconnectedness of all living things. It calls upon us to look closer, to listen more attentively, and to recognize the sentience that surrounds us. Let us then carry forward this appreciation, fostering a deeper respect for the remarkable animals with whom we share this earth. For in their eyes, in their actions, and in their intricate lives, we see reflections of a shared capacity for thought and feeling. The world is indeed full of wonders, and the astonishing intellect of the animal kingdom is surely one of its most captivating. There is still so much to learn, so much to discover about the minds that animate our living planet.